Hello viewers, today I have this Realme Buds Air 5. So in this battery backup is very less, so I am going to show you how to replace the battery of these earbuds. So without wasting any time, let's take one of the earbuds. So to replace the battery, I have to take this apart. So for that, I have to give some heat over here. So let me give some heat and I will take this apart. There will be tiny flux cables running here and there. So make sure you are not going to break that. If it is broken, then the earbuds will be of no use. So alright, let me give some heat and come here. So alright, I have given some heat. So glue has been weakened here. So I'm just going to take this apart. You can see the flux cable is right here. So we should not take this separately. That might break the flux cable here. So this is the battery here, you can see. So we have to take this up very carefully because again there is a flux cable going around here and there towards battery. So let's take this from housing here. So now I'm just going to lift like this. You can see battery is coming. So this battery is connected towards this flex cable, so you should not pull it again. And you can see there is a white glue here. This is the battery terminal connected to this flux cable. Similarly, the other terminal of the battery is connected here. So again it has been glued here. So we have to clean this glue. So let me clean this glue and come here. And this is the battery I am going to use here. So this is lithium ion polymer, same quality battery with same capacity. So I'm going to install this battery here. So before that I have to take this battery out. So let me take this out. I have taken out the glue here, white glue. So the two terminals is visible here. You can see here one terminal is there and here is one terminal. So we have to give heat over here using soldering machine. So let me take this flux cable and terminal out, then we can take out the battery here. It is difficult to show in the video to take this out. So let me take this out and come here. So you can see I have taken out the flux cable from the terminal here. Similarly, I have taken out the terminal here from the flux cable. Now the flux cable is just pasted over here, the battery. So we have to take it carefully. You should not break the flux cable. So let me take this out. So like this I am going to take out from the battery. It's very delicate. You should not give much force over there, otherwise you may end up breaking the flux cable here. So this is how we can remove it. So almost it is removed. So that's it. You can see I have taken out the battery here. So this is the old battery and this is the new battery. So now it's time to simply install it. So let me install it and I will come here. So now you can see I have installed the battery. So you can see here B minus, black wire has gone to B minus, and similarly this is B plus. So red wire has gone to B plus. Now simply we have to position it, that's it, without breaking the flux cable. So alright, let me position it. So if you want me to replace the battery of this type of earbuds, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. So this is my WhatsApp number. Please avoid calling. Please do message. Definitely I will reply it. So I am located here in Bangalore. You can ship it from any part of India to Bangalore through Speed Post Courier. Because Speed Post Courier has access from any villages, you can send it to any place. That is the beauty of India Post. So alright, let me fix this further. So I have positioned the battery here perfectly. Now you can see, just we can glue and close it. So just see the work here. There will be no dent or no marks whatsoever here. Very clean work. So I'm not going to glue that because I have to test it before gluing it. So let me test it. So just I am going to insert the earbud in the case. So green light is coming. That's good. So now I have closed it. So green light is coming here. So let's open the case and let me press the button here for pairing. So this green light will turn into white, and yes, you can see successful battery replacement. This has entered in pairing mode. So let me pair it with smart device here. So I have opened the Bluetooth page in the smart device, just clicking refresh. As you can see, Realme Buds Air 5 has come here. So I'm just clicking the pair button here. So it has been paired. So now let's check the individual earbuds battery. You can see. So the right side is 40. This is because new battery, it should get charged. Left side is already 90%. That is actually having the battery draining issue. Left side, that I have to replace the battery. That I will do it offline, not in this video, because it is similar to the right hand side. So right side is 40%. So it has started working. So the battery replacement is successful. So if you want me to replace the battery, please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore. You can ship it from any part of India to my place. I can repair it and I can ship it back to your address. So the work will be very clean and neat. That is the beauty of this channel AudioViz 360. Alright, now it's time to just glue this. So just I have to glue it, that's it. So let me glue it and come here. So I have glued it perfectly. So you can see there is no marks whatsoever. So I have used here B8000. Even you can use T7000. So all are same. So these are very good quality glues. So alright, that's it. Let me keep the earbuds in the case here. This is Realme Buds Air 5. So alright, that's it for this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon. And write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioViz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.